Good morning everyone. So today I'm heading out for the bike wash and engine oil change. Along with that, I'll talk about some recent modifications and upgrades and repairs which I got done on the bike. Let's start with the headlight. I got the high beam bulb change for better visibility at night. And I also got the complete lockset replaced. And this panel, this horn and indicator panel, this was completely changed as well. Moving on to the braking system, I got both front and rear brake shoes changed for better performance and safety, and also the engine oil was changed too for better engine performance. So after all these changes, the bike definitely feels smooth and better to ride compared to before. So that's it for today's video. The bike feels much smoother and better after all these changes and maintenance work. Small upgrades and timely servicing really make a big difference in riding experience. So let me know in the comments what modification or upgrade you have done on your bike, and if you have any suggestion, let me know. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, ride safe and take care. थैंक यू भैया।